Hello friends, myself Suresh from Panipat, a geography lecturer in government school. My son, 16 years of age, is suffering from cerebral palsy by birth, and when he was of 9 months, we were wandering from hospital to hospital and therapy to therapy, allopathy, homeopathy, Ayurveda, Reiki, even stem cell, but all goes in vain except physiotherapy. Stem cell gives some relax in his seizuring, but to some extent, and we were regular on physiotherapy from last 15 years, and we increase the intensity of physiotherapy suggested by doctors from different hospitals. I used that physiotherapy and that shows some positive effects, and now my son is able to walk on his feet with the help of a stick, and I have made some equipments for him at home according to his physical strength and his need, and I think these equipments can help other cerebral palsy patients. So I think I have to share my experience so that children can have benefits from these equipments. I am not a physiotherapist. I am a father of a cerebral palsy patient, and from last 15 years of experience, I want to share these exercises. If I am wrong, please suggest me on my phone number where I am wrong and suggest the exercise which I can improve and which can help my son. And subscribe my channel to boost both of us morally and also economically. Thanks. Hello friends, this is our first exercise after 20 minutes cycling. This is stretching of leg. I hold his knee from my left hand and hold his left leg from my finger of left leg, and from my right hand I support his heel from my right hand. In this way his whole both legs are stretched, but I do not pressurize too much. I give pressure to an extent which Harsh can bear. I hold from both of my hand his heel and give support from my thigh. I repeat this exercise 10 to 20 times for both legs. Leg from my toe of right leg, and then in the same way hold his knee from one of my hand and from another hand his heel and push his toe backward. In this way both of his legs are stretched. And then when we started last year this exercise, his legs are not stretched to so much. इतने ऊपर तक नहीं उठा सकते थे. अब देखो मेरे पूरे थाई तक इसके लेग लगते हैं. I can touch his knee to my thigh very easily.
after 1 year regular exercise, and that is why I decide to share these of exercise. Now for second exercise, I pull his heel and push his toe, and also give support his knee not to bend from my leg. 10 to 20 times I repeat this exercise for both leg. For second leg, the same exercise repeated 10 to 20 times. Exercise from my knee, I push his knees, both leg outward like this. Both of my toe placed beneath his knee, and from upward I give support from my thigh to his knee. In this way his knee did not bend, but I keep in mind not to give too much pressure. I hold my whole weight on my knee and then pull him, then release, then again pull and I release. I think this exercise help for his backbone as per my thinking. And then I give support to his back and pushes slightly. (30 to 40 times). The whole of his exercise took near about 3 hours in the morning every day. Then I pushes his shoulder backward, क्योंकि कंधे आगे हैं थोड़ा सा. His shoulders are bent forward, so I push for 1 or 2 minutes, then backward. Then for his left hand, because it is also in a very critical condition, I bend and make straight, push and pull, 10 to 15 times, and after that hold his palm and his hand and push his palm backward because it did not work properly. In this way our one lap is completed, and after every lap we relax,
We take rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Thanks.
5 to 10